Friends, I want to do a stock market update. I know that I haven't addressed it in a while, but at the end of every video, the recent ones I told you that I give a quick minute to get short the market or stay in cash if you're an investor in this matrix of money. So like I said, you got to follow the money to follow what's going on in this world. But anyway, I told everybody, I've actually been doing the Benzinga, or it's their channel. If you ever want to watch me talk to them on the comment fields, I usually, I'm known to come there because Kurt's got a big mouth, and I've been nailing trades right and left for them. And I'm not trying to brag, but if you do well, you have the rights to brag, all right? But don't be an ass about it. But anyway, so I told everybody to get long the UVXY. That sucker is a record return right there. Look at that. It's running 18.9% return today, right? I nailed Yang the other day for folks. It told me that Yang it was number one. There wasn't one ETF you could have traded better. Any stock symbol in the entire world 2 weeks ago it was the Yang. It blew everything away. And just because I knew patterns, I knew things that are going on, and I'm a pattern trader. I ignore all the news. It's kind of like this world. You have to ignore all the fake and BS. So anyway, so I'm holding UVXY. That's one of them. I'm going to sell that off. I was also holding. Because anytime the VX goes above, actually, I'm going to keep that kind of quiet for now, because they'll use it against us. I'll tell you later about a trick that I know because I used to be a day trader. And anyway, so one thing is, so I was going to show you, the other one that I'm holding is stay away from natural gas. That's the boil. That stuff, boy. They call it the Widowmaker trade. There, the Yang is actually flat today. But the other one is TWM, which I'm not seeing here. TWM, you can look it up. TWM, of course, it's 3 times, so it's got like a 9% return right on it plays the opposite of the IWM. And then the SQQQ, which is the reverse of NASDAQ. So all 3 of those. I'm hitting a record return, folks, on that I haven't done in a while. I've got it was 18% return in one day on my entire portfolio. And I didn't pull that since like last year. Last year I pulled about a 15% return. And do I make mistakes? You're damn right I do. We all do. But this one is just a beauty. Boy, I nailed this one perfectly. And I saw it coming, got there, and like I said. So anyway, so if you're holding, you might want to start taking some off. I'm not giving financial advice whatsoever, stock trading advice. Especially in UVXY, get out of that one. Get all the way out of that one. Because the risk to reward there is no longer, there's nothing left really, in my opinion. It could go higher, but the risk to reward, I'm actually taking everything off here into the close, because I'll invest it in somewhere else, some other area, right? Sorry, I got an order to sell. I've actually got it up a little bit higher. It's trading at 6.10. I get around 7, and I hope it can squeak back up there. But anyway, it's unraveling, and the thing is, you have to watch it because that's the thing I was going to tell you real quick, not to ramble. The Dow is only down 0.73%, but I'll tell you what, there is panic in the background. I mean, a 12% run up on the VIX. It was actually 14 to 15% earlier. There is massive panic happening in the background. They're trying to unload as fast as they can to get out of there. It's the fear gauge. Fear is way better than you've seen. Like you can hear, the S&P is only down that much. Oh my God! When you got to fix this, that thing should be down 2 to 3% right now. The S&P 500, and the Dow should be as well. It should be down 2% minimum because the fear factor is so high. Anyway, well that's it. Have a great day and stay positive. Take care.